performances in leading roles in a daytime television series while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
And the nominees are Ronnie Alonte for Pira Pirasong Paraiso, Katie Estrada for Pira Paraiso, Ken Chan for Abot Kamay na Pangarap.
Go for KD!
Kelvin Miranda for Unika Iha, JC De Vera for Nag-aapoy na Damdamin, and Benjamin Alves for Magandang Dilag.
The VP Choice Award goes to Katie Estrada.
Before I start, can we just acknowledge the other nominees po? They're so talented at napakahusay ng puni ng actors. And, if you don't mind, I have a grocery list of people I'd like to thank. So of course, I'd like to thank VCBA Awards, and of course the panel. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you Dreamscape, thank you Star Magic for the opportunity they gave me a few months ago to work in my first teleserye, and then I hope I made them proud. And of course, kay Direk Lauren, rest in peace Sir Leo, si Ate Hazel, Kuya Ron, Direk Raymond, Direk Roderick, the rest of the production crew, si Javan, Cedric, Sid, Tonet, Ate Kimmy, Ate Trish, and the camera, of course, the audio and the utility. Of course, my wonderful co-stars, si Ronnie Alonte, si Roy Santalio, Charlie Tison, Eddie Soson, si Joseph Marco, and of course, special mention to my love team, si Alexa Ilana. Thanks so much. I hope I made you proud. And thank you for your patience. And of course, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa aming mga supporters, sweethearts, solids. And thank you guys for watching, always posting us sa social media, and always giving us the encouragement to work harder than before. I love you guys, and I'll never stop saying that I love you kasi the best kayo. Thank you. Thank you ulit, PBCA, and thank you for the reputation. Thank you po.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actress of the Year for an afternoon series goes to people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a daytime television series while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Jillian Ward for Abot Kamay na Pangarap, Loisa Andalio for Pira Pirasong Paraiso, Alexa Ilacad for Pira Pirasong Paraiso, Herlin Budol for Magandang Dilag, Kate Valdez for Unika Iha, and Jane Oineza for Nag-aapoy na Damdamin.
And the VP Choice Award goes to Alexa Ilacad.
Si Alexa Ilacad. Before anything else, thank you so much VP Choice Awards for including me in the list of nominees, and of course to the panel of judges who voted for me. And speaking of votes, I also dedicate this award to all my supporters, my sweethearts, and my solid fans. Thank you so much for doing everything that you do just for me and of course for Katie. We really appreciate you guys, and I love you so much. I would like to share this award sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Pira Pirasong Paraiso, to the whole production team, to the whole staff, to all of my co-actors, and of course Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much for entrusting me with the role of Pep Paraiso. I poured my heart and soul into this role and into this show, which is why I would also like to say thank you to my Paraiso sisters, Elise Hoson, Charlie Dizon, and Loisa Andalio, because they really inspired me, and I believe they brought out the best in me every taping day. And I would also like to thank our boss in heaven, Sir Leo. Thank you so much for giving me the gift of Pira Pirasong Paraiso. And again, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards, for this recognition. And to all my supporters, my loved ones, KD, thank you so much.
Talaga si KD!
The Choice Awards for TV Actor of the Year for a primetime series goes to the people's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a primetime television series, while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Seth Fedalin for Dirty Linen, Donnie Pangilinan for Can't Buy Me Love, David Licauco for Maging Sino Ka Man, Kyle Etsari for Senior High, Dingdong Dantes for Royal Blood, and Coco Martin for FPJ's Batang Quiapo.
The VP Choice Award goes to Donnie Pangilinan. Congratulations!
Congrats, Lex and KD!
Good evening, everyone. This is Bel Mariano. Sorry I can't be there with you right now, but I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for recognizing me as the Actress of the Year for Can't Buy Me Love. Wow, ang dami ko so masalamat. Siyempre, ang pag-ibig and value our directors, the production, the cast of Can't Buy Me Love, and I love you. Thank you so much. And of course, to everyone who's supported in the school with you guys.
Congrats, KD!
Thank you.
Congrats, Alexa! Baka hindi.
Thank you very much to our presenters for this evening. We have Reba and Peter. Thank you very much. And of course, congratulations to our nominees.
Ano lang dala? Against the dito sabi. Kahit sa akin na.
Tawagan ko lang. Sige po. Para...
Picture mo ko. Tap ka ko bro. So much.
Thank you so much sa paghahawak na namin. For the support. Super bigat siya ha. Thank you so much.
Kaya mo ba? Ano lang tayo?
Yep. Thank you.
Look here and check ko lang. Good and smiling. Good. 1, 2, 3. And nice. Ganda. And last 5 tayo.
Super ganda. Gano'n pa ganda?
Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and last. Okay.
Good.
Ito muna. And isa pa. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Salamat.
Selfie ka na.
Thank you. Salamat. Thank you.
Kunin mo na po.
Forteza and David Licauco, Barda, Carrie Oinuma and Jeremiah Lisbo, Kaunia, KD Estrada and Alexa Ilacad, KD Lex, Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, Donda, Jillian Ward and Jeff Moses, Jillian,
And the VP Choice Award goes to Dawn Bell. Congratulations!
The nominees are Faith Da Silva for